Good morning, it's Wendy from Creations. Today I'm making some little flowers. So I was just sitting here doing them and I thought might as well put the video on and just do a little bit with you. Now I use this lace, this gathered lace, because it's pretty and it's easy to make these flowers with. So you just turn that edge in there to neaten it up a bit. And then just along the edge, just gather it up. Rain in here today. We've had rain for the last 3 days. Looks like we'll be getting floods again up here in Queensland. And New South Wales will be, because they're copping it as well. Just bend that end back. Then you join the two ends together. Oops, pull it tight. A bit tighter. The other end gone. There we go. Yes, I haven't made a video for a while, so my daughter said, "When are you going to make another video, Mum?" I'm going to get on and get one done. Considering how I promised 2 a week, I haven't been feeling the best. Don't know what's wrong with me. Out. Just stabbed myself. Yeah, there's a little apricot one. I'll just trim that off a bit there. That's better. Just see if I've got any purple thread. No, only dark purple. That won't do. Better off to stick with this. Yeah, so I hope everyone's been keeping well, doing lots of crafting. I've got so much that I want to do. I've got so many projects on the go. I've got best friend's birthday in June. I want to make her a recipe book. I might even video that. I made her a 4 signature junk journal for Christmas. And I made one for myself at the same time. And it was just amazing doing them together. Just how much we have in common is just unreal. Fold it under on the other side. Where's the other side gone? There it is. Yeah, this will only be a short video today. Ow, stabbed myself again. Oh, two gouges out of my thumb. I'll just go down there and close that side. Stop them gaping open, I think. Might make it look a bit better. There you go. The purple one. I've got some green here. Let's see if I can do a green one. I've got seam binding, but it's the wrong sort of seam binding. It's really stiff, and I tried to do one, and it just wouldn't sit properly. I have bought some seam binding that G Kerr recommended on her YouTube channel, and I'll wait for that to come, and hopefully that's a lot softer. But this one that I bought, where is it? Where did I put it? Here, this Essentials ribbons bow is supposed to be seam binding, and it is so stiff. Look how stiff it is. So that's no good for seam binding. Well, not for what I want it for anyway. Right, let's have a go at a green one. And then I'll end it there. Sit and make some more off camera. This will be pretty. I've been watching so many talented people on YouTube. Oh gosh, there's so many talented crafters out there. Just make so many beautiful things. I have my favourites. There's 4 that I follow regularly, and it's just unbelievable how different they are in their in just they're all totally different in the way they do things and what they like, and yeah, I've got great many ideas from them. Oh, no, I've got a knot in it. No knots, please, not today. That'll do. Fiddly. Fold that over. Find the other end. There it is. sew them together. Just going to sew down this edge a little bit so it sits a bit better. It doesn't gape open. Oops. Pretty green one. There's a little one I made out of ribbon, nice soft ribbon. I don't think I used enough. But these turned out really nice. So there you go. Thank you for joining me. Yeah, they turned out really good. Give them a go. Thank you for joining me. Bye.